Hi there, I'm Chris Olson, a simulation engineer at GSC. I wanted to personally invite you to join us for a SOLIDWORKS Plastics test drive, which will let you get your hands dirty with the SOLIDWORKS Plastics simulation software. During the test drive, you'll get an opportunity to learn all about the full capabilities of the plastics tool, from simple filling analyses all the way to advanced cooling and warpage problems. You'll also have an opportunity to have an informal chat with one of our simulation experts regarding your company's new product development process and how this tool might benefit you in your everyday work environment. Finally, we'll take you through a hands-on guided tour of the SOLIDWORKS Plastics software so you can get a feel for yourself the ease of use and incredible integration that is available with our simulation. The guided tour will walk you through an example of a standard injection molded garage funnel. We will simulate the filling of the funnel to determine the manufacturability of the part. To perform the analysis, we will go through how to set up a plastic study by learning to mesh the geometry, define the polymer, and the gate location on the part. Once we've ran the analysis, we will investigate the manufacturability of the funnel by looking at how the part fills, the pressures involved in the filling process. We will also investigate the areas in the part where air traps and weld lines are present. These results will give us an in-depth understanding of how well our part can be manufactured and the quality of the final product. So join us at our next SOLIDWORKS Plastics test drive event. We'd love to meet you. You'll find all the up-to-date information on our website, gsc-3d.com, under our events calendar.